It all falls to Jamie's new senior operator to get the job done.
As you get to that kind of a job, makes you shake in your boots a bit. So I need him to step up his game. I need him to be the guy he can be.
Well,
Again.
what an absolute disaster zone.
In northern Alberta,
The logs all over the place.
new lead driver Colin McLean is facing one of the toughest recoveries he's ever seen.
I'm good.
So hot that the fire melted the aluminum tank.
I'm better than the shaft.
After a loaded fuel tanker collided with a logging truck.
Thanks, AJ.
6 hours ago, the trucks collided on Highway 881.
Holy jeez. I ran over there.
Semi-driver Venance Richard was one of the first witnesses at the scene.
And I saw one guy there was crawling over the logs. He was in pretty bad shape. The guy was soaked with the fuel. Broken feet.
The two injured drivers were airlifted out. Incredibly, both survived.